Hey everybody, I'm Jill Redfern and welcome to Third Shift Movement Shop, home of literal technique. This tutorial is an introduction to the 7 muscles central to our alignment. We've talked about the bones central to our alignment, the 33 vertebrae, the skull, the rib cage barrel, and the pelvic barrel. In order to move those bones, we need muscle. So we have 7 muscles that literal technique identifies from its group of 12 that are central to our alignment, the central muscles. Those muscles are the Erector Spinae, the 4 abdominals, which includes Transversus Abdominis, Rectus Abdominis, the internal obliques, and the external obliques. And we have Latissimi dorsi, which are the lats, and the pectoralis majors. Those 7 muscles have a joint and simultaneous purpose in our technique, and that is to stabilize, align, and move the 33 vertebrae. So I'm going to go into detail in separate tutorials one by one with those muscles, but the thing to understand about them now is that they all attach directly to the vertebrae and or aspects of the skull, the rib cage barrel, or the pelvic barrel. So until we can get into detail about these 7 muscles, continue to do your work on finding simultaneous alignment at the 3 places where alignment tends to break. It'll be really important to have that alignment intact underneath the muscle. Until we can get into the muscle, continue to work on that in your class, and I'll see you next week.